Today I'm going to show you how to set up your credit wallet. This is the very first thing you need to do, especially if you are new. Okay, and before I proceed, you may click that subscribe button. You can also leave some comments so that I know that you're here. Okay, and also I will be speaking in Tagalog because the concern is about us who are here in the Philippines. Okay, so let's start. The first thing you need to do is you have to log into your website and click the my earnings here. So makikita nyo po itong select your payment option, transfer commission to your credit wallet, view pay plans, description, view rank. Hindi nyo pa makikita yung this one, credit wallet, because wala pang commission na pumapasok sa inyo. Pag may commission na, nyo makikita to pag na-set up nyo na siya. The very first thing, pag bago kayo, wag nyo kakalimutan, ito talaga ang una nyo i-set up. Walang papasok na commission sa inyo pag hindi nyo to na-set up. Okay? So, just click this one. And piliin nyo yung I would like to credit all of my earnings to my credit wallet account. Pwede nyo rin gamitin tong option na to, but the best advice for beginners is to just do this one. Okay, and then don't forget to tap save or click save. Okay, I will explain it to you bakit kailangang i-transfer dito sa credit wallet. So pag meron ng papasok na earnings and commissions, sabi ko kailangan yung i-set up to inyong credit wallet, and ito na yung credit wallet nyo. So, ano-ano yung use ni credit wallet? Bakit kailangan i-transfer doon? The first thing is, you can use it as payment for memberships. This one. You can use it as payment for your monthly subscription or as payment to your friends affiliate membership kung gustong magpa-member, or kung sino sa team mo ang wala pang pambayad ng monthly subscription, pwedeng gamitin tong pangbayad. Next thing is, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin to buy products. Okay? As long as enough yung iyong credit wallet to cover the total amount of the products and the total amount of shipping. Next is, you can transfer your credits to another person or tinatawag na peer-to-peer na ka-teammate mo or member din ng Live Good. Halimbawa, gusto mo siyang maging cash yung credit wallet mo. Example lang, meron kang $50 sa yung credit wallet and you want na maging cash siya. Ang gagawin mo lang is kakausapin mo yung upline mo or whoever is willing to convert that into cash. Ang gagawin mo is you have to transfer yung $50 mo doon sa account niya. Okay, ta-transfer mo sa credit wallet niya. And then, siya na yung magbibigay sa iyo ng equivalent amount in pesos sa iyong bank account. Pwede niyang i-transfer sa bank account mo. Pwede niyang ibigay sa iyong GCash or Maya or whatever e-wallet you have. And, pwede niya ring ibigay sa iyo in cash. Yun yung mga nakikita niyo sa YouTube na binibigyan ng cash ng kanilang upline. Yun ang ginawa nung member na yon, transfer niya lang yung laman ng credit wallet niya doon sa upline niya para ma-encash ng upline niya yung pera niya. And what's the reason behind that? Bakit na-encash nung upline niya? It's because mas malaki na yung kinikita ng kanyang upline, and yung upline niya is may capacity na or kayang-kaya na niya yung bank transfer fees. Pwede na niyang i-transfer yung laman ng kanyang global e-wallet doon sa kanyang bank account. So, ganun lang siya. Once na malaki na yung laman ng credit wallet mo and gusto mo siyang maging cash, ma-encash na on your own, that's the time na you have to transfer back your income to my earnings. I have a separate video paano i-set up yung iPayout na yan. Ilalagay ko yung link doon sa description para mapanood nyo at mapag-aralan nyo rin siya. Kasi once na gusto mo nang i-transfer ito dito sa global e-wallet mo, dapat naka-set up na siya. Ano yung gamit ng e-wallet powered by iPayout? Ang gamit nito is pwede mo nang i-transfer yung money mo directly to your bank account. Okay? Or pwede mong i-wire transfer. or pwede kang mag-order ng prepaid card mismo sa iPayout, and yung prepaid card na yun is ipapadala sa'yo. Pag na-receive mo na yung prepaid card na yun, pwede ka nang direkta mag-withdraw sa ATM machine. Okay? Pero, yung prepaid card na yun, in-order yun doon sa mismong application. I-download mo lang yung Now app sa Google Play. So, meron akong separate tutorial on that. So, pag na-order mo na yung prepaid card, pag na-receive mo na naman kasi yon is very convenient na kasi pwede mo na siyang gamitin pang withdraw sa mga ATM machine. Meron lang din siyang corresponding charge kasi ganun naman talaga, di ba? Pag nag-withdraw ka sa ATM, meron naman talagang charges. Pero ito kasi in dollars, so medyo mataas lang ng konti. Kayang-kaya mo if kumikita ka na dito sa Live Good, baliwala na yon, okay? And also, kung gusto mo lang i-transfer naman sa sa bank account, madali na kasi ang charges naman is mga nasa $25 ata. Pero kung malaki naman na yung kinikita mo, ang sabi ko nga baliwala na yun. Kaya ang advice for sa mga bago sa Live Good is to really transfer mo na all of their earnings dito sa credit wallet. And pag gusto mo nang i-transfer sa global e-wallet, saka mo na siya i-set up. Pwede namang saka mo na i-set up to. Okay, mas unahin mo, transfer muna lahat ng earnings mo dito sa credit wallet. And also take note of this, once na inactivate mo na dito mata-transfer lahat ng earnings mo sa global e-wallet, hindi mo na siya pwedeng ibalik dito sa credit wallet. Okay? Pero pwede mo uling i-activate ito. Ang mangyayari lang pag inactivate mo to, kung ano yung bagong papasok na commission pa lang sa'yo, yun ang mata-transfer dito. Pero kung may mga commissions na pumasok dito sa global e-wallet mo, hindi mo na siya pwedeng i-transfer sa credit wallet. Okay? Pero yung nasa credit wallet, pwedeng i-transfer dito sa global e-wallet powered by iPayout. So that's the reason why we advise na for the new ones, transfer all your earnings muna and commissions to your credit wallet kasi pwede mo naman siyang gamitin as, sorry for that, hindi ko napansin. Ito yung global e-wallet na sinasabi ko, powered by iPayout. Sorry. So, ayun. Dito, yung credit wallet mo is marami namang uses. Pwede mo siya munang pambayad ng iyong membership. And kung maraming nag-enroll sa'yo na wala pang card, hindi pa nasa-set up yung e-wallets nila, pwede mong bayaran muna yung membership nila using your credit wallet. Pag malaki na, as I've said, pwede mo na siyang i-transfer dito sa global e-wallet mo. So, hoping na malinaw yung aking explanation. If you have any questions, just leave some comments and pwede ko kayong balikan. Thank you very much for watching and for staying with me. See you again next time. Bye!